Here is how to make creamy mashed potatoes with this simple secret ingredient. These mashed potatoes are fluffy, full of flavor, and super easy to make. To make these creamy mashed potatoes, you will need about 12 small white potatoes or Yukon Gold potatoes. Place the potatoes in a pot and cover them with cold water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and boil on medium heat for about 25 minutes till tender. Then drain the water and let the potatoes cool for 15 minutes before peeling. Then cut the potatoes into chunks. Put them in a mixing bowl and add 1 stick of butter and my secret ingredient, which is an 8 ounces block of cream cheese. Then add 1/4 cup of slightly warm whole milk and blend everything together with an electric mixer until smooth and there is no big clumps left. Season with salt and pepper and mix for a few more minutes. If you don't have an electric mixer, use a potato smasher and beat it with a wooden spoon. Now, return the mashed potatoes back to the pot, add 1/4 cup of cream or milk, and warm it on medium heat while constantly mixing with a spoon. Keep mixing on medium heat till the mashed potatoes are hot and have a fluffy consistency and desired thickness. Serve immediately with your chosen food. Also, check out my latest video about how to make absolutely mouth-watering restaurant-style scrambled eggs.